from Winnetka. Big noise, we're right out again. Stop, look, listen, here comes the big noise. Stop, look, listen, here comes the big noise. I am the one they call the big noise. I'm looking fine and feeling sharp. After fluent from Winnetka, don't you know? I'm gonna blow this joint apart. I got my high heels, I don't need no wheels. My footwork is in on. You know the joint is jumping, my heart is thumping, and this is just the start. Whoa, 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 the big noise from Winnetka. I'll be a big noise in your heart. Whoa! Check the way she's walking, check the way she's talking. Listen to us walking, dance around, get up and down, get in and out. Stop.
Hey! After many a summer dies the swan, but not when she's stuck in a turkey the size of this one. Make no mistake about it, folks. Eggs will be laid tonight. Ain't that right, girls? Oh, my girls. The three favorite tchotchkes on the break front of life. I'll never forget the first time I found these girls peddling their papayas on 42nd Street. Not only are my girls fine singers and dancers, not only are they gorgeous and talented, but they also think I'm God. I am the one